Hello, this is Perky Mama. I received the Investing Quickstart Guide for Beginners by Ted D. Snow. He's written on Forbes and CNBC. I received this for free in exchange for a social signal and honest review. I haven't finished the whole thing there. I still have a ways to go, but so far it's very easy to read, and I was interested in looking into how to do the stock market and investing because we don't have pensions. We have 401ks in my family, and I would like to figure out if they have any advice on the retirement. I'm in scroll mode so I can go through a little quicker for you. Let's see here. They give you coupons. This gives you a rough idea of some of the things that are available in this book. They give you a bunch of different vocabulary words and explain what things mean if you don't know, such as like the stocks and bonds and everything. And then there's trying to find services for investments. It talks about how to use your time to your advantage so you don't waste any time. And there's different strategies on investing, like on buying on down days and different ways of doing it. And day trading, options trading, short selling. And then the last couple of chapters are on investment psychology and beyond profit and investing your way to financial freedom. They do give you some different types of charts and graphs and cheat sheets to print out because you purchased the story. This book is for anybody who wants to get to understand investing, so you don't have to be a rocket scientist like this says. Let me scroll over to, where'd it go? To this page. It says it's mainly focused on public stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. And it does not cover any of these things right here. And it will cover some of the penny stocks and options and Forex market and stuff, but not as much as the public stocks, which I'm more interested in anyways, because that's where I can figure out how to do the retirement. So if you like reading ebooks, this is in a format that you can easily read. It's supposed to take about 4 hours, and it has lots of information for you to understand how to invest. Thank you.